In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check downloads in Google Chrome. If you've ever saved something from the web and then instantly lost track of where it went, this is for you. I'll walk you through 3 quick, reliable ways to see your recent files, review your full download history, and even control where future downloads are saved, so you can stay organized and get back to work faster. First, the fastest way. Look near the address bar at the top of Chrome for a small downward arrow icon. Click it, and a compact downloads bubble opens right away. This bubble shows your most recent files in a neat list. From here, you can open a file with a single click, which is perfect if you just downloaded something and want to use it immediately. It's quick, it's visible, and it saves you from digging through folders. Next, if you want the full picture, use the keyboard shortcut Control and G. This opens a dedicated Downloads tab in Chrome. Think of it as your download control center. You'll see a complete history of files you've downloaded through the browser, organized by date. There's a search box on this page, so you can type a file name or keyword to find exactly what you need. This is especially helpful when you're working on a long-term project and need to revisit something you grabbed days or weeks ago. You can also reach your downloads through the menu. Click the 3 dots in the top right corner of Chrome. Then select Downloads. This leads you to the same page. From there, find the file you want and choose Show in Folder. That opens your computer's file manager with the exact file highlighted, making it easy to move, copy, or rename it without hunting around. If you'd like more control going forward, you can tell Chrome to ask you where to save each file. Open Settings. Use the search box at the top to look for downloads and toggle on. Ask where to save each file before downloading. With this enabled, Chrome prompts you every time, so you choose the destination folder on the spot. It's a simple way to keep work files, personal items, and project assets neatly separated. That's it. Use the Downloads bubble for instant access, Control and J for your complete history, the menu for quick navigation and show in folder, and the settings toggle to choose locations every time. No more lost files. You're all set. Done.